I'm Mark Pever and welcome to Deanshanger Colts Football Club. Deanshanger Colts Football Club is a village club based in South Northamptonshire. We've got about 260 kids age 6 up to 15. We have 5 pitches spread across the age groups with an adult pitch at the top, coming all the way down to our 5v5 at the bottom end near the clubhouse. Deanshanger Colts has been in the village for 30 years and we've been using the same playing fields all that time. Over the years, we've never had our own equipment, and it was decided 12 months ago that we would use the Football Foundation grant and look to invest in our own equipment so we could take care of the pitches. When we started looking for the equipment, RT Machinery were really helpful. We explained what our situation was and what we were trying to achieve with the equipment, and they suggested the Iseki TM range, working with the quadruplay and the cutting deck as well. The Iseki TM gave us really good options on space. We're quite confined here at Deanshanger. We were able to lock it away in our own container. It's secure, it's powerful enough to give us all of the options for using all of the equipment across all of our pitches. What's really useful with the machinery that we've got now from Iseki is the quality. We've been using it for 12 months, we've had no issues whatsoever, and it's never let us down starting every time, first time. Using the Iseki is user-friendly, it's fantastic. We've got some of our younger footballers as well. They'll come along on open days and they have a drive around the field as well. So, you know, even 11-year-old kids can jump on the machine and use it and help out. As a village club, you know, it's about everyone joining in and taking their part. Following the successful grant from the Football Foundation, we placed the order with RT Machinery back in March 2021. We received the machine about 6 weeks later, and ever since then we've been using it on a weekly basis, cutting the grass twice a week and allowing us to use a quadruplay as well to get a good playing surface for the kids. The guys at RT Machinery have been absolutely fantastic. When they delivered the machine, they gave us a full brief on how to use all the equipment, and the service on the back end of that, we've already had one service and we've called them out, and they've been absolutely brilliant, so no problems at all. So I'd fully recommend the Iseki TM series for village clubs. In fact, just recently speaking to the chairman at our rivals down the road at Stony Stratford, they've just been gifted some Football Foundation money as well, and I recommended exactly the same setup from Iseki, and even to go and use the guys at RT Machinery as well.